everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be stuffing my sinking funds with the money that I earned from my side hustle, which is Uber Eats and DoorDash. This last week, I didn't go out too much because of the issue with getting gas, so I limited myself for 2 days, which typically I do the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I only worked a little bit on Saturday and a little on Sunday morning. So for last week, my earnings for Uber Eats was $34.28. And for DoorDash, my earnings was $65.25, which is a total of $99.53. I took out the $99 to stuff, in addition to some money that I lent someone and they sent the money back via Cash App. So I took that money out as well, and it's here. Whatever's left over, of course, goes into my debt snowball envelope. Okay, so let's get started. First up is car maintenance, and car maintenance gets $30. So it's 20 and 30. So now in car maintenance, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. Let me just count that again. That doesn't sound right. 152, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. Yes, 152. I'll write that down. Next up is refrigerator. And refrigerator is getting $75. That's 20, 30, 40. I don't have, one moment, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 60, nope. What is going on here? Did I not? Let's see. So, wait, I have more. Maybe I think I might have to skip refrigerator this time around because I don't think I have enough to cover refrigerator this week. We'll see after I do the rest of the envelope, so I'll put that to the side. Let's move on to Christmas. Christmas is getting $25, so that's 20, and I'm gonna do some singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Christmas now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 170. And I'll be sure to link the envelopes from Amazon. This is where I purchased these envelopes, in the description box below. Next up is vacation, and vacation gets 25. Let's do 10, 20, and 5. So now vacation has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 70, 170. Next up is gifts, and gifts is getting $10. So I'll do a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10. I have $10 in here, so now I have 20. And last is closet. Closet is getting 20. So now closet has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. That's 150. And let me count and see if I have enough for refrigerator. $75 on the money. So I can put that in with refrigerator. So let's count up refrigerator. 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 3, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So I have a total of $365 in my refrigerator envelope. I'm going to recount my closet because I forgot. Okay, so that concludes my sinking funds. I did not have anything left over to go towards my debt snowball, but I did put in some money from my regular paycheck into the debt snowball envelope. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video. See you soon. Bye.